All right. Good morning, hockey family. It is July 8th, 2024. We hope everyone had a nice long weekend here in the States. I know Strax did the video last week, but just to kind of echo his message, gosh, our team had a great time in Vegas seeing many of you. My first time inside of the Sphere. I thought they just did a really, really nice job inside a great production and really nice to see many of you kind of throughout the week and weekend. So very cool. We are in the summer, free agency, off to a fast start as always. Last week in markets, shortened week, right, with the 4th of July here in the States. So markets closed Thursday. It was a half day Wednesday. Friday, just the trading volume, it looks like everyone was on vacation anyway. So a really, really short week. All right. And in my eyes, the biggest takeaway was the bond market. Okay, which with a much needed, really strong week for bonds, kind of across the whole yield curve. That's really on the heels of the U.S. June employment data being released, and you saw 206,000 new jobs. The problem was like some downward revisions from previous months. All right, meaning the unemployment rate in the United States bumping up to 4.1%. All right, so like a year and a half ago, that was more like 3.4. So yeah, a little bump, nothing crazy, but enough where the bond market's looking at it and saying, hey, this probably means some rate cuts in the future. All right. So yeah, and then you pair that with the ISM manufacturing data. So both manufacturing and services came in sub 50, below 50, which means contracting. So with that, yeah, interest rates falling, which is good for bonds. The bond market is now pricing 3 rate cuts before the January 2025 meeting. All right. So yeah, you compare that to just like a month ago. The market was saying like no rate cuts, maybe even an increase. So yeah, we'll see. It always makes markets interesting, which is why we always recommend and advocate for a really balanced approach. CPI inflation data we received this week as well, so that'll be interesting too. So we hope you have a great week. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.